Hi, you're welcome to RIP's English Grammar video tutorial. I'm Natraj. We hope you learn a lot with this video tutorial because this tutorial made such a way that it should cover the depth content of the grammar. Therefore, we hope you can learn a lot with this video tutorial. Fine. Why grammar? Let us understand why grammar is important. If there is no grammar, what will happen? So that's the basic question. Why grammar? Why we need to learn grammar? So that I need to explain. So in this introduction class. So before getting to it, let's see some examples. So you can see a beautiful picture here. Now, so what is there in this picture? So here is a sentence. So what it reads? This temple big. This temple big. Is it meaningful? Is it correct? No, na? So it only gives some information like temple, big, something like this. But it's not a correct sentence. It is not a correct sentence. So now look at the another sentence. This big temple. So only thing is big is replaced. I mean it's moved to before the temple. So if you understand, if you know some basic grammar, you can see temple is a noun. So big is adjective. Now his position is correct. But now it makes the correct sentence. No, na? Even this also is not a correct sentence. So this is how grammar will help you. So if you know grammar, we know like this sentence must be like this. If you written something, it must be follow all the rules. So when it follow all the rules, then it is a sentence. Otherwise, it not actually, it not clear or it not transfer the correct information. This big temple will not give you any much meaning. It only give a some meaning, but it not a complete meaning. Okay, so now to make it proper, let me create one more sentence. This is big temple. Now it will give much more information. This is big temple. Fine. So because if you take any one sentence, it may small or big, we need a verb in that sentence. In these two places there is no verb. Okay. Now is a verb which is there in this sentence. Now this big temple. When you say this is a big temple, is only one temple big? Therefore, in order to make it much more proper, we made another sentence. Now it says that this is a big temple. When you say this is a big temple, it's a one big temple among the many. It means that there are many big temples are there. In that, this is also one temple. Now this sentence almost proper. But formatting wise, like now look at the sentence formatting. So what is sentence formatting? Where we have capital letters, full stop, like these things. Okay. So in that way, as you can see that it's not formatted. So we need to format this sentence. So once it's formatted, you can see that T should be in capital and at the end we have a full stop. Then if this is the case, like no, these two things important. So once that is placed, now the sentence is formatted and it's in order. This is a big temple. So now this is the big temple. Let's show that here there is a temple. This is the big temple. So related to the picture, we are putting one sentence. This is the big temple. But if you say this temple big, it's not the correct sentence. Grammatically, it is not correct because that's why the grammar is very, very important. So if you know grammar well, we know which sentence is correct, which sentence is wrong. Also, when you are writing, you can make correct sentences. So grammar helps you in a different ways. Okay, let's look at how it will help you. So it will help you for selection of words. The grammar will help you to selection of words. You can select the word, which word where to place. So how many words, like and whether that particular word fit in that sentence or not, that and all. So therefore grammar will give you information like to select the number of words. Words order, how to place the words. That is also very important. If you have 3-4 words and if you put it in jumble way, so you can't understand anything out of it. So you need to place each word in an order. When it's placed in order, it will give the meaning. Otherwise, it won't give any meaning. Therefore, words order is very, very important. So grammar helps us to understand like how you can place the words. Time of expression. Time of expression. When it's happened, when you have one sentence, it's talking about something and what has happened to that. Okay, there is got a subject. Okay, it's talking about a particular subject and what happened to that subject. Now, question is, from that sentence, we need to understand when this has happened. Whether it's happened in the past, whether it will happen in the future, or it's happening now. So therefore, it will give a time of expression. So particularly what we call as a verb, word. That will give the time of expression. How to format. So if you have a sentence or if you have a paragraph, so how to format it. So that grammar will give you some guidelines how you can format a sentence or a paragraph. Correct sentence. So once sentence is formed, so we need to identify whether the sentence is correct or wrong. So the grammar and each and every time will tell you this sentence is wrong or is correct. So therefore it will help you to make a correct sentences. So it's ultimately like this. If you know grammar thoroughly, then you can able to make the correct sentences. So these are things. So grammar will help you to select words order, time of expression, how to format, and then how to make a correct sentence. So these are things we can make using the grammar.